Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best graduation money box is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a graduate. It's not just a box, it's a symbol of new beginnings and a helping hand as they step into the next chapter of their lives. Whether they're saving for college, a new car, or simply enjoying their newfound freedom, a money box is a thoughtful and practical present that shows you care. Number 5. Graduation Card Box Holder, Black. This is a decorative graduation card box, perfect for collecting cards at a graduation party. It's designed with classic graduation elements and colors, making it very impressive. You'll receive one decorative graduation card box. It's all you need to collect all those congratulatory cards. The box is made of premium paper and features a classic graduation design. The design makes it a great addition to any graduation celebration. The box measures 8.5 by 8.5 by 8.5 inches, with a top slot of 5.9 by 0.2 inches. It's the perfect size to hold plenty of cards. The box has a foldable design for easy assembly. It arrives folded to protect it during delivery, and you can quickly set it up. Use it to collect gift cards, well wishes, or even lucky money. It can also be used as a decorative element for your graduation party. What we like. This graduation card box features a classic design with graduation elements. It's also easy to assemble and can be used for various purposes. If you are looking for a simple yet elegant card box that complements your graduation theme, you should consider this. What people say. Great for money, very easy to assemble. Held a lot of cards and advice cards. Functioned well. Looked nice on table. It was windy out and stayed just fine. Easy to assemble, the size was on point, and of very good quality. This was a great addition to my daughter's graduation party. The color is vibrant and the box is very large. It holds a lot of cards. Number 4. Hallmark 8 Graduation Card Box. This is the Hallmark 8 Graduation Card Box. It's designed with a fun black and gold theme, perfect for any graduation celebration. It's a great way to collect cards from friends and family. The box measures 8.5 inches in both height and width. It has a convenient slot on top for easy card insertion. It's the ideal size for any graduation party. This box is incredibly easy to set up. It folds flat for storage and pops up quickly when needed. It's a convenient addition to your party supplies. After the party, you can use it to store mementos and advice cards. This box can hold pictures and other keepsakes from this special event. It's a lasting memory box. This Hallmark product is crafted from high-quality paper. The paper comes from well-managed forests. You can feel good about your purchase. What we like. This card box has a fun design with gold mortarboards and a bold congrats on the front. It's easy to set up and can also be used as a memory box. If you like a card box that is both decorative and functional for storing mementos, you should consider this. What people say. It was perfect for my 50th birthday party. Sturdy, easy to assemble and can be used again. Sturdy box. It worked perfectly the day of my party. Great news, I can reuse. It was very easy to fold the flat sides into a beautiful large box for wedding, anniversary celebration, or bridal shower cards. The slit at the top is ideal for inserting cards of all sizes and keeps them hidden and unavailable for all to see. The box can easily hold 100 plus cards. It exudes elegance and perfect on a reception or gift book table. Number 3. OurWarm Gold Wedding Card Box with Lock. This elegant card box with a lock ensures the safety of your cards and gifts. It comes with 2 keys, providing extra security. You can relax and enjoy your event knowing everything is protected. The gold finish and sparkling design of this box will catch everyone's eye. It's understated yet elegant, complementing any decor. It's the perfect way to make sure guests know where to put their cards. With dimensions of 12.2 by 9.5 by 8.2 inches, this box can hold over 300 cards or envelopes. It's also suitable for money, postcards, or small gifts. It's a great purchase for any occasion. Made from 4mm thick natural wood, this box is sturdy and long-lasting. The glitter surface is designed not to fall off. It's non-toxic and tasteless, ensuring it can be used for many events. Ideal for weddings, parties, and baby showers, this card box is perfect for any celebration. It's not just for cards, you can also use it as a keepsake box. It's a versatile addition to any event. What we like. This card box comes with a lock, ensuring the security of the cards and gifts. It features an eye-catching design and has a large capacity. If you are hosting an event where security is a priority and need a box that can hold a large number of cards, you should consider this. What people say. Such a cute and elegant lockbox. I hot glued the lights on the inside of the box to give it a pretty look. Holds a lot, and slot on top is big enough for most envelopes. Easy to put together. And durable. It sparkles. It's very easy to assemble and disassemble for future use. For a large box it breaks down and stores in a small cardboard box for easy storing. It's also nice and sturdy. This was a perfect addition to my gift table. It was elegant and even came with lock and key. The details were much prettier in person. My daughter actually assembled it and collected many cards. Number 2. JC Hummingbird Gold Card Box, 10 Gift Box. This beautiful box features a shiny metallic gold finish and an elegant cards ribbon sign. It's the perfect touch for weddings, graduations, and other special celebrations. The design is sure to impress your guests. The large 10 by 10 inch cube can hold over 100 envelopes, cards, and monetary gifts. It has a center slit that measures 6.5 by 0.75 inches, making it easy to insert cards. This box is both practical and stylish. Made from thick, premium cardstock with a gold foil coating, this box is built to last. It folds flat for easy storage, allowing you to reuse it for multiple events. You can rely on it for years to come. Assembly takes only seconds, with no tape or glue required. This makes it a great choice for last-minute party preparations. It's incredibly convenient and user-friendly. This box is ideal for a wide range of events, including weddings, birthdays, baby showers, and retirement parties. It's also suitable for donation boxes and celebrations of life. It's a versatile solution for any special occasion. What we like. This card box features an elegant gold design with a shiny metallic finish. It's spacious and functional, holding over 100 envelopes. If you like a card box that is easy to set up and reusable for multiple events, you should consider this. What people say. Nice size, very simple and elegant, super easy to assemble. This box is reusable if taken care of. Was as described. Well packaged. Easy to assemble. Will work well for our party. Very nice color. Number 1. Grad 2025 Card Box and Centerpiece Kit. Looking for a stylish way to collect graduation wishes? This card box is perfect for any graduation party. It's a great way to gather all those congratulatory cards. This grad cap box is specially designed for graduation celebrations. Place it on a table and let friends and family share their best wishes. The box is made with upgraded and reinforced cardboard. It includes 2 star centerpieces, ensuring it stays firmly on the table throughout the event. The grad box measures 12.2 inches wide and 8.9 inches high. The star centerpieces are 9.8 inches, making it a perfect size for any party setting. The box is made of stronger paper, with more vibrant colors and a larger size. It can hold a lot of cards, ensuring you can collect all the well wishes. What we like. This card box is specially designed for graduation parties. The box is reinforced and sturdy, with perfect proportions. If you are looking for a graduation-themed card box that is durable and stands out as a centerpiece, you should consider this. What people say. Box was easy to set up and a very nice size. I liked that it was easy to put up. Nice and convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.